AV Engineering is pleased to offer this Ferrari 360 Modena, produced in 2000. It features a 3.6-litre V8 F1 power plant with a Challenge Stradale drivetrain. A vehicle well known to us, having been in our care since 2020. Presented in its original specification of Rosso Corsa over creamer leather, with contrasting burgundy piping and Rosso brake calipers set behind 18-inch Starfish alloys. The coachwork presents well, with the clear coat recently detailed and protected. The crema interior shows very minimal signs of wear. Overall, the presentation is exceptional, thanks to careful maintenance and leather treatment by previous custodians. This highly maintained example of the 360 Modena is equipped with a rare, genuine Challenge Stradale drivetrain, featuring a full engine from a 2004 donor vehicle with approximately 10,000 miles at the time of installation. The upgrade includes CS airflow meters, a custom fabricated airbox, and a Challenge Stradale F1 transmission control unit. Our workshop sourced, inspected, and installed the engine in September 2022. To optimize performance and efficiency, the engine has undergone our renowned fine camshaft tuning with matching factory specifications and AV engine control unit software calibration. This provides a unique opportunity to experience the pinnacle of Ferrari's powertrain engineering within the 360 series, typically exclusive to the race-inspired CS, now combined with the more road-biased, compliant setup of the Modena. It offers the ultimate balance of usability and performance, making it arguably the finest example from its era. In our opinion, this Ferrari offers a rare prospect, owning an exceptionally well-maintained example of this appreciating modern classic and experiencing the rare Challenge Stradale drivetrain in its best form. This vehicle remains in exceptional mechanical condition following a comprehensive service and inspection in June 2024. It is provided with a full Ferrari specialist service history. Check the description below for full details. Thank you for watching Autofacts. Please like and subscribe for more content.